I just got my ORIGIN8 front bike rack, and I'm like, this thing's gonna get banged up. So I figured out, went over to National Liquidators. I got these black cable ties. I wrap them with it, and then cut them off. Takes some work, but in the end, it's going to be protected. And if I put it on the bike rack, it's not going to get all banged up. I should do the whole thing, even down the sides. Got to pull tight. Alright, I like to make short videos, so we'll cut this short real fast and I'll finish it up. Gotta pull hard though. Alright, now it's time for a single edge razor blade. It's easier doing this sitting on the couch. And I'll put the TV. If you're a kid, I would have your parents do this. Let them cut their fingers. But you got to be very careful. And then recycle. Pulling a lot, I've ripped off some skin on my finger. And there you go. The ORIGIN8 front bike rack. Okay, let's center it. And this should protect my bike rack from getting all dinged and banged up. Luckily, you could still see the name though. Cool. I now have a one-of-one bike rack. I don't think anybody else has ever done this before.